Good evening. First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Chavanvat Mungmun and my nickname is Ning. I am 17 years old and assigned math major at Yasotham Pithayakom School. During my high school years, I became deeply fascinated by the power of sound. Well, visual effects expand our imagination on screen, but without sound and special audio effects, even the most beautiful scenes can lose their emotional impact. Sound is what breathes life into visuals, turning a simple screen into a powerful sensory experience that can give the audience goosebumps. That is why I am incredibly excited to apply for the sound and music production for digital media program. I am driven by a desire to create unique soundscapes and fully committed to pursuing a career in this field. Thank you once again for this great opportunity.